Hey guys, welcome to Tech Notebook, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do split screen videos in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Okay, so I want the end product to look something like this. Okay, so in order to do that, you just need to make sure that the files are imported. I will have this on a Dropbox folder, which I will post in the description. So then you need to go into the editing tab. I already have the clips down on here, and as you can see, the clip 2 is the only one playing since it's on video 2. So now what we want to do is to go into the cropping menu, and then we want to do crop left or crop right depending on what you want. I'm going to do crop left, and you want to make that at exactly 1000. So yes, whoops, 1000, and there we go. So now there's it's perfectly in the center, and then now as you can see when it plays, it works perfectly fine. So another thing you might want to do is to make the crop right in the center. So let me just make this back to normal again. So this will require some tinkering of the zoom, position, and all the cropping. So the first thing we will need to do is to zoom out a bit. And then now we'll need to crop left and right. So we want to just preserve this Tech Notebook logo in this one. So then crop right. And then as you can see, it shows just the middle part. So we'll move this clip off to the side. And now we'll deal with this one. So we'll do the same thing. Crop left, crop right. And then we'll zoom out of this just a bit so it's easier to work with. And now these two files are overlapping, so we want to change the position of one. So we'll move this one to the left and this one to the right. So, oh whoops, we'll move this one to the right. And then we can enlarge the clips. And move the position as necessary. And we'll zoom and move the clip. Zoom a little more, move the clip. And now they're both split screen, so then when we play the clip, both of them will show the Tech Notebook logo. And for this clip right here, we can just zoom out a bit, so move the thing back. And then we'll need to play with the cropping. So then now it should show the entire Tech Notebook logo. And let's take a look, and it does. Okay, so another example before I wrap up this video is a top and bottom split. So basically one clip will be on the top and one clip will be on the bottom. So it would be the same as last time. You'll just need to, for one of the clips, crop the bottom and make sure it's at 500. And then once we start playing the clip, as you can see, it shows the entire top, or it shows half of the top and half of the bottom. Just keep in mind that these are not suitable for all types of videos, so tinker with the settings to help it better suit the type of video you want to create. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please drop a like and subscribe. All the links will be in the description below, and I will see you in the next one.